What's up guys, it's Olivia here. I'm Molly here. Welcome back to Olivia and Molly's World. Carry on watching this video to see how we got these Easter eggs. Which one?
Number 1. Okay, so we found number 1. Now what it says is wibble and wobble. Pretend you've got wobbly legs like a baby lamb. How does it feel to have jelly legs? You've got to pretend to have jelly legs. So what's it like to have jelly legs?
You can't understand.
Your legs don't look like jelly, Liv. Right, girls, you found number 2. The challenge is find your favourite colour. What's your favourite colour and count how many times you can find it nearby. So, Molly, what's your favourite colour? Olivia, what's your favourite colour? Right, so run around here now and show me.
Look, some flowers.
Pink and purple flowers.
Look, blue.
You've got blue. So you've got one colour blue. Could you find any others?
There's a colour purple. See, there's just a little purple flower.
Oh yeah, well done. You found a purple tulip. You can't find any pink flowers.
Ooh. Pink.
Where? Oh,
That counts?
yeah. Molly's found the smallest pink flower ever. So brilliant. You found a purple flower, you found a tulip, and Molly, you found a little pink weed. Okay, let's go find number 3. So Olivia and Molly are demonstrating the most important part of a trip to Dyffryn Gardens, and that is a trip to the cafe.
Yeah.
So, cheers.
Yeah. Number 3.
Right, challenge number 3. Look around you. What can you find that's smooth, rough, or wrinkly?
Trees.
What's that though? What texture's that?
It's kind of rough and crinkly.
Yeah, that's rough. That's right. Okay.
Oh, this is kind of wrinkly. This is kind of wrinkly.
Okay, yeah, that's like a fir tree.
And then this is smooth.
What's Molly found?
I found something smooth.
Where?
There.
The root. Okay, yeah, that's trees, very smooth.
And I found something wobbly.
Okay.
It's what I'm standing on.
Okay, wobbly wasn't a clue, but that's okay. Right, hop down then.
This is kind of rough. This is rough.
Yeah.
Whee! Mummy, Trixie found number 4.
Well done, Trixie Bella. Mice love to shelter in the spring. Play a game of hide and seek and write down who makes the best mouse. I found you, Mousey.
I know.
Found ya. Got you, Trixie.
It is good.
Yeah. But Trixie had already showed me where you were.
How?
Because Trixie snuck forward and I saw her.
Yeah, well, it was okay.
Who found that then?
Lizzie.
Lizzie the dog.
Lizzie.
Oh, right. Say hello to a tree. What's your favourite part of a tree? Take a close look at the trees around you. So let's go down here. These blossoms are my favourite part of a tree. So you two have picked this tree, yeah? Girls, what's your favourite part of this tree then?
We can climb on it.
So your favourite parts of trees are the bits you can climb on. Olivia, what's your favourite bit of a tree?
The beauty.
Yeah? You like how beautiful they are, yeah. I like how pretty all these leaves are.
And I like how the dangle the leaves are.
Yeah.
I like a little wedding.
Yeah, it's beautiful, this willow, isn't it?
Maybe you can have another wedding here.
Oh, Mummy and Daddy got married 13 and a half years ago.
Maybe I can have a wedding here if I marry someone.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, I'm going to have my wedding here with William.
Oh.
Okay, great stuff.
So found number 6. So,
I was the one who spotted number 6.
what's growing? Look around and spot 3 things that are starting to grow. What are they? Don't look in this bit.
Okay. So there are buttercups.
So they're already grown. So what's starting to grow? Come here, I'll give you a hint. What are these? Yes, that's exactly right. So these, don't step on them. This is a rose garden. But can you see any roses or many leaves at the moment?
No.
But I bet you, if we came here next year, or I might even have some clips from last year when we came here with Anya and Delilah, I bet you could see that this was full of roses then.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, go and have a little look. Find 2 other things that are just starting to grow. Well, daffodils have already grown, haven't they? So what could be starting to grow in a pond?
Lily pads.
What do frogs lay?
Lily pads.
And they're called frog spawn.
Frog spawn.
So it could be, but we can't see any in there. So look for other plants. Well, they're daffodils that have gone now. Oh, no, you're right, there you go. There's a daffodil that's starting to grow. It's not out yet. So yes, you've got roses and daffodils. You need to find one more thing that's starting to grow. Okay, so your third thing that's trying to grow is you found this hedge. It's got leaves on it, starting to grow.
And she falls in the pond.
Yeah, so poor Lizzie fell in the pond.
Yeah.
She's a bit wet now.
Mummy, I'm wet.
Oh.
Okay, Wizzy.
Come on then.
Oh. We have to find the key.
You found an ancient door. And you are super intrigued. Oh, even Daisy's having a look.
Leak, I want to go in this box. Leak.
7.
Yeah, Trixie found number 7.
So this is a strange one. Squirrels shed their winter coats in spring. Can you shake like a squirrel? Molly, shake like a squirrel. Shake your bums. Shake your heads. Shake your bums and your heads at the same time.
I saw a documentary of a squirrel shaking off this winter food, and it goes from its head to its back.
Go on then, go play in the park. Molly, so this tree is massive, and this one's been cut down. So this is how big. Lie down. This is how big the trunk is. It could fit both kids on, probably all the dogs.
And the rabbits.
Yeah, and our new rabbits.
And our mum and dad.
Maybe not your mum and dad. It's all hand. No. No. Are you gonna walk? Are you gonna walk it?
Hey, Mommy, why don't we just do the easy way? I put it down like a horsey.
You do whatever feels safest, but you can probably walk it.
No. If I put it up down and break our leg, I will break our arm and break our head.
Okay.
I don't want to have a broken arm again. That's hard. I don't want to have a broken arm.
So Richard, Olivia and Molly there, and Trixie's crying. She wants to go and play. Trixie Bella.
Oh my God! It's found number 8, my lucky number.
Sorry.
If you're wondering why I'm holding a leaf over my pinky, it's because I fell on the obstacle course onto a stingy nettle.
Yeah.
And this is a doctor leaf.
Yeah, it's called a dock leaf. Okie doke. Number 8. Tune into the birds. Birds are busy finding their homes to make a nest for their eggs. Stop and listen to them sing. What do you think they're saying? All I can hear is children. I think we need to go over there where it's quieter and find some birdies.
I think
Tweety, tweet, tweet, tweet. I could hear some of the
I
tweeting.
think they're singing a song and we got to get chicks for the nest and the eggs.
Hmm.
We got to get chicks. Oh, come on, come on, come on. We have to make our nest. And look at this. It's a roly poly. That's a roly poly. Put your arms like I don't know what.
Olivia's a girl after my own heart. She wants to lie there and relax.
Oh, Wally.
Ah! That was a really good roly-poly.
No, not like this.
Go on, Mols. Arms out in front of you. Keep your arms straight. Okay, number 9. Lift your head up. What shapes can you see? So look towards that way because you want to look at the sun. So look up. Can you see any shapes? Can we see any shapes in there? I can see a snake.
I need my sunglasses.
Okay.
I can see a star shape.
Can you? I can see a circle.
Yeah, daffodils are kind of like star shape.
Oh, but that's not looking up.
I can see a circle. Which is
So snakes and circles.
I
I can see a triangle right in the middle.
see a triangle because look, the trees look like a triangle.
Well done, babes. So guys, what shapes can you see? Write in the comments and let us know.
Sorry guys, Olivia's not here. She's sick.
Oh dear. Right, girls, number 10. Do it for nature. Your adventure's nearing its end. What could you do at home to help nature? Yes.
Water.
Water what?
And water the plants. They
Yeah.
have to grow.
Okay. And Liv, what could you do?
Because our planet's heating up, I wanna do science make, and we can print them out to make sure people pick up rubbish. We can clean up our whole planet. Look what we got from the Easter trail. Easter egg. Thanks for watching Olivia and Molly's World. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications, which is the little bell. Peace.